my annual cruise with this dude over here. Gonna go fill up the car real quick though, man. I got half tank. You guys know how to run my cars low on fuel. Sure if any of you guys have noticed, but the car sounds a lot more tamed. You can hear the turbo flutter a lot louder now, and that's simply because I put the muffler back on. So before I had a 5-inch straight tip, and now I just put the Boost Logic muffler on there. Figured a little bit of change is good. Plus I don't wake up my entire neighborhood whenever I cold start it. Boys, cross your fingers and hope we get some good E85. What the hell? Around this time of year, it's still okay. Usually in the closer to the winter, it does go down a little bit. Oh wait, my pump's on the other side. What the hell's wrong with me? God, I feel like a fool. Don't laugh at me, you guys. I forgot what side my pump was on. Actually a lot lower than I thought it was. It was 14, almost 14 and a half gallons. Holy shit. And my thing said half tank. That was not half a tank. I don't have a 28-gallon tank. All right, let's get going. Dude, crossing the highway on foot, that's wild. Doing that in second gear. Damn, look at this green caddy right behind me. Holy shit. Big ass wheels. Wow. That's insane, bro. Those are like 30s. Holy shit. I've never seen anything like that in person. Get away! Get away! Some beautiful turbo fuel injected noises for you. Why'd I always get stuck in traffic, man? There we go. Tesla. Alright boys, now one thing I have learned from this cruise here, those new shocks, the ride quality is better, but it did not help my vibration. I still feel that vibration. Not as bad, but I still feel it. So I gotta get the car up in the air. I gotta inspect everything else again because I still feel the vibration. And again, a car of this caliber, you can't have any of that. Here goes that awkward moment of being in the car with people recording. This is why most people don't do YouTube videos, because you gotta be in the car, people staring at you with the camera hanging off your head. After 5 years, I'm still not used to it, but I'm still doing it. Dude, this whole time that I've been here in downtown, I forgot this skeleton was right next to me. People are probably staring at that. Totally forgot about you, dude. As soon as people see that I have a camera, they turn away. Have any of y'all ever done those bike rides? I did it once. I still don't know how I got home that day. Homie snapping a picture of the Supra. It's not a Supra. It is a Supra, bro. Give homie a little rev. See, I appreciate people like that, man. People who are willing to like give you a thumbs up and, you know, just compliment your car, because there's a lot of people who like your car. As soon as they see you look at them, they turn the other way. Like, there's nothing wrong with you complimenting people's car, bro. Like, you're not, it's just being nice, dude. That's all it is. Like, one of the things I will tell you guys, you have no idea how many times people will, like, I'll see people staring, and even without these cameras, I'm not recording, no cameras, no nothing, but people will stare, I'll look at them, they turn away the other way. Like, it's, dude, you know, thumbs up, bro, like, it's okay. I don't know why I always feel kind of like, I'm like, oh man, I don't want him to know that I like his car. I hate the fact that I think that way, but I grew up with so much of that around me that it's hard to like not think that way. It sucks, but it is what it is. Oh, we're driving in a golf cart. I tell you guys, man, you guys see me in public, you tell me to do something, I'ma do it. You know, one thing I am thankful is that my cars have turbo lag, because imagine if I had like a fucking dragster. I'll be doing burnouts everywhere I went. Do a burnout, okay. Oh, that was traction control. That road is always like stupid slippery, man. Like I was like maybe 40% throttle and the traction control kicked on. That's why I always see the little cuz right there with the trucks going sideways. If any of you watching are cuz, you guys don't tell me if I'm wrong. Do you guys not all go sideways right there on that road? Ah, dude, traffic every single time I drive this car. Bro, people need to stop moving to Texas, man. This is absurd. I never used to deal with this much traffic. No matter what time of the day or night I come out, it's always busy, bro. A few years ago, it was not like this. And it's 1:30 on a Saturday. It's not traffic hour. Those of you guys who've made it this far into the video, what do you guys think about the way the car sounds? Does it sound better with the muffler on or with the straight pipe on? I mean, it does tone it down quite a bit. The one thing that I do like about having the muffler on is that you can hear the turbo flutter like ridiculous. Oh shit, dude, I think my GoPro might have fallen off because it says that it can't find my GoPro. Uh-oh, I've never dropped a GoPro on the road. This might be a first. Damn, you guys see if it's back there? Oh no, it's still back there. Holy crap, that scared the crap out of me. I thought it legitimately fell off. Whew, that was close. This thing was definitely loose. I don't know what happened to the GoPro. It died on me. I hope I didn't lose any footage, but damn it. It's always something. But the good thing is we got home, no problems, and I gotta open this thing up because it is hot, hot, hot. Thankfully we made it home, you guys. Everything went well with the car. Again, the only thing that I do have to go back and check is I gotta check, see if maybe one of my wheels is bent, if I hit a pothole, or maybe a tire's out of balance. Because I mean, all the other suspension components look still pretty damn good. So I don't know what could be causing that vibration that I get at the high speeds. I'm thinking it's gonna be a wheel or tire issue, or possibly because I don't think it's going to be drive line, because if it is, you know, the drive shaft or something being out of balance, which again I highly doubt, it would vibrate even at 40 or 50 miles an hour, not at 100 or 120. So I'll look into that. I'm not too concerned about it. It should be a relatively easy fix, hopefully. I mean, again, every single time I say that, it turns into this complicated as issue, but y'all cross your fingers for me and hopefully it does work out. Look at that. Lala was sitting there. But that's gonna wrap it up for this video, you guys. Thank y'all so much for watching. This was just a little cruise around town for me, man. Nothing too crazy. This is usually what I do with the cars. On the next one I'll probably take this one out because it's been a little bit since I've driven this one as well. Life's just been super busy. I've been building an exhaust system for the Mustang, which I can't wait to show you guys that. It's gonna look and sound absolutely incredible, you guys. And last quick note before I let you guys go, if you've enjoyed this video, please consider liking, commenting, sharing the video with your friends, or subscribe if you haven't already. I've been battling this YouTube algorithm for probably over a month now, where all of my videos are not showing up for like maybe 90-95% of my subscribers. So it sucks though, right? Because I'm trying to record all the stuff that you guys want, the stuff that you guys enjoy, but most of you guys don't get to see it, and then you see it like way later, right? So that's already when it's already past the window where it's gonna get pushed out into the algorithm. So again, I'm fighting an uphill battle with this channel. I don't know what else I can do anymore. I'm trying my best to make this grow and just kind of keep me motivated to keep on wanting to do this, but you know, it's hard sometimes, you guys. So again, if you guys enjoyed this, please like, comment, share the video with your friends, anything that could help the algorithm so I can stay motivated and keep on doing this stuff. Because again, I do this stuff because of the interactions. If you know, it's awesome talking to you guys. I don't really know how the YouTube algorithm works as far as the payments goes, but I really don't make much money off of my YouTube channel. Believe it or not, some people are probably gonna be like, yeah, whatever. But if you guys are interested, I will be more than happy to make a video and show you guys how much I actually make on YouTube, because I think a lot of you guys are gonna be surprised the fact that I've done it for so long and yet I almost really make nothing. So thank you guys for hearing me out on that. I hope you guys stay tuned, and we'll catch you on the next video. Later.